guys, it is October 8th, 2020. Today I gotta go do a combustion analysis on a couple of space heaters. Make sure that they're safe to run and all that stuff. So I'm going over there now and run them, make sure that they're clean and make sure that, you know, they're safe to run type of thing. Try to get some shots if I can. Pilot's out.
How you doing, Steve?
Pretty good. How about you?
Good, you beat me.
I beat you. It's dropping because it's been sitting.
Wow.
This is looking good. Look at that.
I thought they missed out on opportunity. I thought Pence bullied.
Thought what?
I thought he bullied both women by over-talking.
Who's that?
Pence.
Oh, you think he bullied her?
Yeah. I thought it was a real bully. I thought he missed out on the
Alright. So that's good actually. That's actually good right there. It passes. It's letting on. Take a little while. Gotta get all the air out, you know.
Yeah.
Cold affect me?
Cold.
Oh, I haven't had any issues.
Would work.
Alright, we'll release it now, so it's staying on. When it first happened, I took some time off because I didn't know how bad it was going to be.
Yeah.
But then after like 7 weeks, I said, I gotta get out, go back to work. I'm going batty.
Yeah.
Start going crazy. Staying home all the time.
Right.
So I never got sick.
Yeah.
But I'm careful.
Of course, yeah.
How about you?
Still working pretty much from home.
Oh, you haven't gone back?
Yeah, well, I work.
I gotta turn it to on. And it'll fire up. Yeah, my concern is that the CO was, you know, not crazy high, because we don't want that. We don't want no issues. We're good there.